James from Conroe has a question about bath mold.
Well, it's in his full bath right here.
Ew.
Yeah, that's looking
That's
bad.
not good.
He says it's surface mold that keeps coming back on the ceiling. And even though we run the shower fan, the vent fan after, it comes back even after using a bleach solution. So he wants to know, do I need a higher capacity vent? I don't see a leak in the ceiling, and there's no damage that he can find. He just wants to know, what does he do here, Tom?
Charlie, you usually hear me tell people it's just mildew.
Yeah.
This is mold.
Okay.
This is almost a remediation.
When you look
That's
at this,
why it
how
keeps
can you
coming
tell
back.
that that's mold?
Because it's in round splotches. Oh. Mildew kind of looks like black dirt.
Okay.
But you can see the roundness and the way it's got a curvature. That is bad. That needs all that sheetrock has to come out, and it has to be retreated.
Wow.
I'm not saying you have to remediate the entire house, but you're not going to save this from the picture I'm looking at. Remember, I'm not there, but it is a picture. But that is truly a mold problem. That's coming through the whole product itself, which would be the sheetrock. It's not a surface issue like mildew. Mildew's easy. You wash it, you paint it, it's fine. And that's what people usually have, but not that one.
Cool. You got a question? Send it to us. We can help you out just like that. Send it to HomeShowRadio.com. Check out our videos over here, and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks.